Just like the Unabomber used to do. Or maybe like Salvo did in the DC Sniper case. Just a small hole in the trunk of the car, and bang.
What are they doing?
Oh, no way!
Okay, that took a long time. So here's the car guy. You're suspended. Okay, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm letting you drive off.
Oh my fucking god!
Like this one is just like much more situationally than necessarily points.
Yeah, could be. Yeah, I think the only thing I'd be like, just don't pass it to the Woodland Alliance. But
Oh my god. You did great. You did really great. You did really great.
$300 million on Trey Turner. The Padres were willing to give more than that. They were willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. We saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Taillon from the Cubs.
Del Fuca que nosotros no decimos de forma... Ah, que cuidado. ¡Opa! Se fue de costado la máquina de don Carlos Oliveira. Agarró en este caso la parte del... Sí, la parte del cordón. Vamos a ver, bandera roja tiene que ser. El público también que se va acercando, reitero, se desacomodó lastimosamente ya, entran también los bomberos, el auto de don Carlos Oliveira y pegó de costado el grande de cemento, Carlito.
Fuerte
Sí,
la
fuerte.
piña.
Oh, shit.
Xe nào hóa hóa là nó bán chậm nào. Em thì chưa đúng được. Ôi! Kinh không? Gọi giao thông đi. Mất rồi.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This season. Pick up power only loads.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Navigation. Easy check-ins.
Emergency video.
So when you're done,
Emergency video.
relay.amazon.com and we'll keep you hauling this season.
Emergency video.
Stuck in debt and looking for a long-term solution. Tackle new challenges each day. And a career that will grow with you.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just hit it?
Yeah.
Someone just hit it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Wait, we gotta go deep though, because someone's gonna hit that and then hit us.
Oh shit, watch out, watch out! Oh fuck! Oh fuck. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got you.
The dog! I got you.
You're good.
Release. I got her.
It's okay.
I won't let her go. Hey, huh? Oh yeah, get your dog.
Watch out, watch out! Oh.
Watch out for the cars. Watch out. Oh! Yo, get the dog. I'm with you. Get the dog.
It's like it's gonna show. It's like a like when I did Delta, I bought the ticket. It was like cool, but it was like it wasn't letting me like do. Oh shit!
He's going full speed. Like, where is he going? Oh. Fuck the red light.
Oh my God.
Blatantly, they're just saying it. They're saying women are being taken and men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, that's powerful. All right, and again, that's from Ireland. Let's go ahead and talk now.
Holy. Holy.